Every single one that's watching this video right now, I guarantee that you're in profit, but is it realized profit or is it unrealized profit? Because as the crypto market starts entering parabolic and just everything is going up, everybody's on risk, that's where the gains are going to be made, but that's also where the losses are going to be made as well. So I've got 3 altcoin requests today. This is how I'm playing them, and this is how I'm protecting myself. The first request, of course, is ICP. We were covering ICP in the last video. We've got our support, we've got our resistance built in, and we want this previous resistance to now flip support. We'll change that to green to flip support. So that's what we're waiting for on ICP. Are we interested in ICP now? As far as I'm concerned, talking about risk management, this is the risk management that we're waiting for. We're waiting for a pullback into the golden zone. We're waiting for a pullback into our previous resistance to become support, and that's when we can get good risk to reward. So this is 6.31 risk to reward if you can get this trade. We've started the pullback, we expected the pullback, and how far and how deep is this pullback going to be? Fibonacci retracement tool from the previous swing low to the swing high, and we know that we're interested in the 618. Look at this golden zone here. Exactly coincides with the previous resistance that we expect to flip support. So we'll stick our golden zone in here. This is where we're interested. That's where we said we wanted the pullback. As far as risk management is concerned, we'll get rid of our fib. We know that this is the golden zone. This is where we want price action to pull back into. As far as price action is concerned now, if we took a trade from here, we know our next resistance point's up here, but we need to put our stop loss and protect ourselves below here. So that brings the risk to reward down to 1.21. If price action reversed and went all the way down there, you're risking much more of your capital. So that's where patience comes in, waiting for it to come back into the golden zone. And then we've got projections up here sitting to the bottom side, 22.53, to the top side, get that up here, to the top side, $24.66. So that's the importance of being greedy with your entries, because you can have a tight stop loss under here. And if price reversed and went something like that, that means you stopped out here, and then you can gain more ICP at lower levels at $10. So use it to your advantage. That's what's being greedy with your entry. Use it to your advantage, guys. So the next request was crypto.com. Now, previous support, which was previous resistance, should I say, is all the way down here, 10 cents. Trading at 15 cents at the moment. So how can you play this one? First and foremost, we're forming a flag. Have we had a breakout of this flag? We have had a breakout, and we've had a retest. We need this retest to hold. So this can be how you can apply your good risk management. We'll stick a buy tool on there, and we'll look at projections very shortly. But if you were swinging for the previous high and you've got your stop loss down here, see what it does to your risk, 3.18. If you come down, this reverses, you get stopped out, you can buy at lower levels with this capital that you've used once you've been stopped out. So this is the importance of protecting yourself. So as far as projections are concerned, what we'll do is we'll stick an extension on here. Stick some extensions on. Get our fib tool up. What you're looking for is the 1272, the 1618. So 1272 sitting at 20 cents. The 1618 sitting at 22 cents, 22.5 cents. Okay, so that's crypto.com. If we break the high, those are the projections that I'm expecting. Protect yourself, don't forget, guys, and then move up. As price action moves up, you can trail your stop losses. So if price does something like this, put your stops under here, put your stops into here, price reverses, you get stopped out in profit. So use it to your advantage. I'm going to keep telling it and keep drilling it home as far as risk concerned. Next community request was GROW. Triathlon. This is a new one. This is difficult. This is a technical analysis nightmare. So what we can do on this is we can just use our extension tool from this previous high to the low. We get our projections, our 1272 sitting up here at $1.06, and the 1618 is sitting at 121. Where do you protect yourself on these, guys? There was the previous resistance. We expected that to come support. Stick our band in. That's hit support. This is where we're wrong, underneath here. This is where we're wrong. Once that low is taken out, that's when you're wrong. So that's where you need to hold. If price action pushes back into this support zone there, that's good risk management to protect yourself. In fact, if price pulls back into this support, aiming for the highs, got your protection down here, 4.34 to 1 risk to reward. So that's a good risk to reward. So hope you enjoyed yourself, guys. Hope you found this useful. Let me know in the comments what you want me to cover tomorrow, and I'll see you in the next one.